Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys, RPTVs. So ayun nga guys, ang topic natin guys. Ayan, makikita nyo guys sa caption ko guys. Paano mag auto lyrics sa CapCut. Auto lyrics sa CapCut. So dapat guys, ang CapCut application natin guys, updated guys. Para magamit natin yung auto lyrics guys. So i-check nyo guys yung version nya guys. Dapat guys 12.6.0. So kung hindi pa siya guys updated guys, update mo guys sa Play Store guys. So ayun nga guys, check natin guys. Click natin yung CapCut and then settings. So ayun nga guys, makikita nyo yung version guys 12.6.0. So ayun nga guys, umpisa na natin guys. Back na tayo and then click natin yung new project library, black background, add, then delete natin tong CapCut na logo, then press natin to guys. Ayan, para humaba, click natin yun. So ayan nga guys, nandito na tayo guys. So punta tayo sa audio, sounds. And dito sa parang file, tapos device, and then search natin yung music. So ayun nga guys, lumabas na. So click natin ton sign plus. Ayun, try natin play muna guys.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
So ayan nga guys, cut natin siya dito guys. Split muna natin and then delete. So ayan nga guys, pagkatapos na guys, back tayo dito sa text. And then auto lyrics. So makikita natin yung language dito guys. Click natin yan, and English. So English yung kanta, kaya naka-English din yung language. So ayun lang guys. Tapos ito naman audio, video. So music ang sa akin na kasi music lang yun, kaya dito na lang sa all. Kasi yung background ko naman wala naman yung wala naman lyrics yun, wala naman music. So dyan na lang sa all. So generate na natin siya guys. So ayan nga guys, lumabas na guys. So click natin tong text, tapos style, tapos animation, so ayan guys, fill lang tayo guys. So kung gumagawa ka ng karaoke guys na lyrics video, ito guys, meron dito yan, karaoke.
I don't think so.
So
no, 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 no.
So may pagpipilian naman na kulay dyan guys. So ako guys, green.
I don't think so.
So check ko na yan. So pwede natin siya guys adjust. Pwedeng sa gitna. Ayan, and then palakihin natin. Ayan. So try natin guys i-play uli.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
So ayun nga guys, lagpasan guys yung natin lyrics. So i-click natin siya. And then click natin tong style. Click natin dito. And then ayan, adjust natin yan guys. Yun. So check na natin. Play natin ulit guys.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever go.
So ayun nga guys, hanggang dito lang guys. So sana wag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Thanks for watching.